Hi guys and welcome back on my channel. Today I'm unboxing and reviewing my new purchase, Casio G-Shock GA-100B. This model was very popular 10 or 15 years ago. I remember everyone used to wear this watch. I used to have one as well, but I sold it and 10 years later I bought it again. I found this watch on Amazon, it was on sale and I bought it for just $50. Guys, $50 for this watch, brand new, it's a bargain. So the box is fairly standard, every G-Shock has pretty much the same package. It was wrapped in the plastic. Once you remove the plastic, you can open the box. Inside you have a standard G-Shock International warranty card, a manual, and of course underneath you have the main box, the main package. Actually, I like this G-Shock packaging. It's quite unique, it's quite unusual. Let's open the box. Inside this metal box you can find the G-Shock itself. The watch is wrapped in this plastic bag. The unboxing experience of this G-Shock is no different from any other G-Shock watch. It's pretty standard, nothing interesting here. But the watch itself is very interesting, it's a standard G-Shock, but I like this red color. I think if you are buying a Casio G-Shock watch, it should be flashy because, the G-Shock is kind of a fashion watch, it's a tough watch, so why not to add it a bit of color? This model is quite unique because it's a combination of analog and digital displays, providing versatility in timekeeping. It includes features such as stopwatch, countdown timer, world time, and multiple alarms. The ability to set a secondary time zone is particularly appreciated by frequent travelers. The history of Casio's G-Shock watches dates back to the early 80s. The concept of the tough digital watch comes from the vision of Casio's engineer Kiku Ibe, who wanted to create a timepiece that would be literally indestructible. The goal was to design a watch that could withstand shocks, vibrations, and extreme conditions. But the true inspiration for the G-Shock's development came from a simple incident. Kiku Ibe was motivated to create a durable watch after he accidentally dropped a pocket watch given to him by his father, which shattered upon impact. This incident sparked his determination to design a wristwatch that would be shock resistant and be able to endure harsh conditions. In 1981, after years of research and development, Casio launched its first G-Shock watch, the DW5000C. It featured a triple protection design with a rugged case, a hollow structure, and a module that was suspended inside the watch to protect it from shocks. The DW5000C introduced the signature square shape that has become synonymous with G-Shock watches. Casio developed Triple 10 concept, a 10-year battery life, 10-bar water resistance, and at least 10-meter dropping shock resistance. Well, modern G-Shocks are even tougher. You can throw them from the window, you can dive with watches up to 200 meters. G-Shock is a very unique brand. I like this watch because it's quite unusual. It combines digital displays and also analog display. I like how it looks, it's very light, it's even lighter than my Apple Watch, but G-Shocks are made of plastic. I have a huge collection of G-Shock watches, so if you want I can make a full video unboxing and showing all of my 173 G-Shock watches. When it comes to G-Shock, I'm a big fan of the square watch, but this round watch is a little bit different and I like it too. That's why I decided to add it to my collection, but my daily driver is a simple Apple Watch. By the way, let's compare two watches. The Apple Watch is smaller but heavier than the G-Shock. The G-Shock is bigger and bulkier but lighter. I like the look of the G-Shock, it's quite unique. Nowadays everyone is wearing Apple Watches, it's kind of the default watch, and when I see someone with the G-Shock, I know that this person has a good taste. That's why sometimes I'm wearing my G-Shocks. But 99% of the time, my G-Shock collection is just sitting in my closet. I'm never wearing them. I just like collecting stuff. The G-Shock GA-100B in this beautiful, stunning red color is definitely a nice addition to my collection. If you are looking to buy this watch, I would advise to look on Amazon. Sometimes it's on sale, you can set an alert and find it really cheap. As I said earlier, I bought mine for just $50. It's a bargain, and I like how it looks. I like the red color, it's beautiful. Guys, thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Also, check out my other videos on my YouTube channel. Thanks again for watching. Peace.